If HandBrake is giving you a VCRUNTIME140.dll error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the fastest fix step by step. This problem usually happens when the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime files are missing, damaged, or blocked by Windows permissions. The good news is that in most cases you can solve it without reinstalling HandBrake or doing anything complicated. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's fix it. The first thing you should do is install the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable package. This is the official runtime library that HandBrake often needs in order to launch properly. Open your browser and go to the official Microsoft download page for the Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 Redistributables. Make sure you use Microsoft's official site so you know you're downloading a safe and trusted file. Once you're on the download page, look for the x64 version, usually named vc_redist.x64.exe. If you're on a 64-bit computer, this is the main version you'll want to install. In some cases, it's also a good idea to install the x86 version too, even if you have a 64-bit system, because that can improve compatibility with different apps and components. So if you want the best chance of fixing the VCRUNTIME140.dll error, download both versions if they're available. After the file finishes downloading, open it and run the installer. If Windows shows you a prompt asking whether you want to allow the app to make changes, click Yes. Now, if the redistributable is already installed on your computer, the installer may give you the option to repair. If you see that, choose Repair so Windows can replace any damaged or missing files. If this is a fresh installation, just choose Install and let the setup complete. Wait for the process to finish, and once it's done, don't skip the next step. Restart your computer. This is important because Windows needs to reload the library paths and recognize the updated runtime files. A simple restart often makes the difference between the error continuing and HandBrake opening normally. After your computer restarts, try opening HandBrake again. In many cases, the VCRUNTIME140.dll error will be gone at this point. But if you still see the issue, there is one more fix you should try. Sometimes Windows UAC or User Account Control blocks HandBrake from properly seeing the library it needs. To work around that, right-click the HandBrake shortcut or executable and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app elevated permissions and can help it access the required runtime files. If HandBrake opens correctly after running it as administrator, then the issue was likely permission-related. If you want, you can also keep using that method, or you can adjust your permissions later if needed. Between installing the Visual C++ redistributables, repairing the package if necessary, restarting your PC, and running HandBrake as admin, you've covered the most common causes of this error. So to recap, the main fix is to install or repair the Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 Redistributable, restart your computer, and then run HandBrake as administrator if Windows permissions are still causing trouble. That's the safest and most reliable way to get past the VCRUNTIME140.dll error. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more HandBrake or Windows error fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.